Welcome to this meditation on believing in the good things coming. Let's begin by taking a comfortable seat, allowing your body to settle and be at ease. You might close your eyes if that feels right, or keep a soft gaze downward. As we start this journey together, set an intention to be fully present with whatever arises. This is a safe space where we can explore hope and possibility together, breathing with an open heart. Our practice today centers around the simple yet profound mantra, I believe in the good things coming. This phrase has the power to shift our perspective from worry to possibility. Take a few deep breaths now, feeling the air fill your lungs completely. As you exhale, release any tension you've been carrying. Notice the sensations of your body making contact with the cushion or chair beneath you. Feel the support it offers, holding you in this moment. Your breath is an anchor, always available to bring you back to the present moment whenever your mind wanders. Bring your attention to the rhythm of your breathing without trying to change anything. Simply observe the natural flow of breath in and out. With each inhale, imagine drawing in fresh energy and possibility. With each exhale, let go of doubt and resistance. Allow your breath to create space within you, space for new beginnings and unexpected gifts. Now, gently introduce the mantra, I believe in the good things coming. You might say it silently to yourself as you breathe. Inhale, I believe. Exhale, in the good things coming. Let the words resonate in your heart. Notice any sensations or emotions that arise as you repeat this phrase. There's no need to judge what emerges. Simply observe with gentle curiosity. Sometimes when we speak of good things coming, we get caught in wanting specific outcomes or attaching to particular desires. But our practice today invites a deeper understanding. We're not just hoping for pleasant circumstances, but opening to the fundamental goodness that flows through life itself, even when circumstances are challenging. This goodness is always present, waiting to be recognized. As thoughts arise, as they naturally will, simply notice them without getting caught in their stories. I too struggle sometimes with returning to old patterns of thinking. When I find myself spinning tales of worry or doubt, I gently return to my breath and the simple truth of this moment. You can do the same. Each time you notice your mind wandering, gently bring it back to the mantra, I believe in the good things coming. Feel the power of these words, not as wishful thinking, but as an expression of trust in life's unfolding. When we believe in the good things coming, we're not denying life's difficulties. Instead, we're acknowledging that within every situation, seeds of growth and awakening are present. We're training ourselves to recognize the openings even in seemingly closed situations. Let's sit in silence now, continuing to breathe with this mantra. Allow it to sink below the thinking mind into the wisdom of your body and heart. Feel what it's like to truly trust in the goodness that is always making its way toward you, sometimes in unexpected forms. As we begin to draw this practice to a close, notice how your body feels now. Has anything shifted in these moments of quiet contemplation? Perhaps there's a subtle sense of openness or ease that wasn't there before. This is the natural result of aligning with truth rather than fear. The good things coming aren't just external events, but also the inner flowering of awareness and compassion. Bring your hands to your heart if you wish, feeling the warmth and aliveness there. This heart wisdom knows that good things are always unfolding, even when our minds cannot see it. You can return to this mantra anytime you feel doubt or uncertainty arising. I believe in the good things coming is not just a phrase, but a doorway to a different way of being in the world. As we complete our practice today, take a moment to appreciate your willingness to show up for yourself in this way. The simple act of pausing and turning inward is itself a powerful affirmation of what matters most. Gradually begin to deepen your breath, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes with fresh vision. I wish you courage as you meet each moment with an open heart. Stay mindful, friends.